Hi guys, it's Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents and welcome back Cent Savers. Y'all, I am sitting outside of Target. We do have some deals this week. We also have some freebies. We have a couple things going on. We have a lot of coupon matchups, I will tell you that. And there might be more deals, but we'll see. Now, I'm going to tell y'all that the buy four deal, if we have a buy four, get a $5 gift card, I didn't put together a scenario for that. I just didn't feel like it was that great, so there isn't one. But we do have things that actually work in the promotion on the list, so just keep that in mind. The other thing is we do have a Pampers, not a Pampers, but like a diapers promo. It's spend $100, get a $30 Target gift card. And we do have 3 Target Circle coupons, 2 $5 coupons, and 1 $1 coupon. If you add those, if you do those things together, depending on the sizes that you need, you can get almost right to $100 and end up getting back that $30 gift card and getting 2 boxes of Pampers and then like maybe one of the bigger bags of Pampers for just like $70. So good deal. That breakdown is not on the list. I'm just letting you know what we have. I also have a spend $75, save $15 on household items. That's a bit too steep for your girl. I didn't do a breakdown for that either, okay? But just check yours, see what you have. We have a lot of coupons that attach that you could put together a deal for that. So we have tons of household coupons, some from the previous week, some new ones. So just making sure you're keeping your eyes open for that. I am here a little late, y'all. Not feeling the best. So that's also why I'm talking extra slow. It is almost 10 o'clock my time, closer to 9:45. Y'all know this video goes up at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I do not plan on being here longer than an hour. But like I said, we do have deals, we do have freebies, and we have plenty of new coupon matchups. So I'm excited to share those deals. So let's go ahead and head into Target and let's see how this goes. Also, if you haven't signed up for my Fit TV, you want to do that because I think it's 35 cents right now. So the link will be down in the description box. That's a great deal. So anyways, y'all know me and Sid been in the gym, okay? I'll start back tomorrow. I have my 2 rest days. I'll be back in the gym tomorrow. So anyways, let's head in. So here is the first deal. Now, like I mentioned, we do have that buy 4, get a $5 gift card promotion that's going on this week. And there are a couple of items that would qualify that we'll be talking about. We're looking for the Vaseline lotion, y'all. It's kind of high up there. I'm not even about to try to grab that. The lotion is priced at $3.99. We have a $2 Target Circle, makes it $1.99. You know, that's a good deal. That's about the price point that we get Vaseline for, or Vaseline lotion. So I would definitely pick it up if you need it. Since I was on the aisle, I wanted to go ahead and mention that the smaller Aquaphor, the one that's the 2.8 ounce, that is priced at $7.89, does have a $3 Target Circle, and it is a part of the buy 4 promotion. And I'm mentioning this because there's another deal that's a little bit cheaper in the baby area, but if you want to do the buy 4 deal, then you might want to pick up this item instead of the one that I'll mention a little bit later on in the video. Next up, we have the Colgate 360 toothbrush. Now, my store only has the soft ones, so do with that what you may. These are priced at $3.49. We have a $2.50 Target Circle coupon. Makes this just 99 cents. Y'all, this coupon, we don't get this one up often. So honestly, if you love these or you just like them, go ahead and pick them up. It's cheaper than the $1.25 tree, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so the next deal is on the Febreze Small Spaces. Now, these are priced at $3.49, or those are the ones that you're looking for. Some of them are more expensive. Either way, you can pick up one of these. We have a $2.50 Target Circle coupon. Makes this just 99 cents. Super easy deal. Okay, so I would definitely pick this up this week, or you can add it into your household promotion, either or. One of the things I wanted to mention this week was the Up and Up products. So select Up and Up products, such as the scent boosters, are on sale 50% off. So it makes them $4.49. As you can see, there's other Up and Up products that are not in stock that are 50% off. This is a really great deal. Now, I don't know if they have detergent on the shelves, y'all. Let me look, because I'm not sure. Okay, yes. Okay, so look at this. We have the small ones as cheap as $2.49 for the laundry detergent. That's 40 ounces. We have the Up and Up 72 count pods. Even these are $4.99. So y'all, these are some really great deals. You can do this for pickup, of course, so I would definitely pick it on up. And while we're chatting, y'all, they have a lot of coupons and hang tags on all products, like these sensitive freshes. Yeah, we're gonna grab some of those. They also had some on the Snuggle, so just keep your eyes out for those. I almost forgot about one of the deals. This is on the Palm Olive Watermelon. This one's priced at $2.79. We have a $1 Target Circle. It makes it just $1.79, which is a good deal because we have not had a lot of promotions on Palm Olive, so pick it up if you need it. I have a really good deal on this Zarbee's Soothing Saline Nasal Mist. These are priced at $5.99, and we have a 15% off Target Circle, so that takes off 90 cents, making it $5.09. Then we have a $3 Target Circle, making this just $2.09 this week, so super easy deal. Another easy deal that you can do this week is on the Advil Liquid Gel. These are priced at $4.39, and we have a $2 Target Circle. Makes them just $2.39, so super easy deal. All right, y'all, so we had a G word going on this morning that I do not think is still happening, but I'm still going to tell you about this deal because it's still a good deal even without the G word. So the Always pocket size are priced at $4.99. These two sizes, we have $3 off, making it just $1.99. Now earlier we did have a $2 digital attaching that was making one of them completely free, but still a good deal. And then we also do have a buy three get a $5 gift card. That $3 should apply to all of the ones that you add in the cart, so you can kind of stack that deal just depending, but it does have to be on things priced at $6.99 and up. And I feel like if these are working, the ones that are $7.29 and they have that $3 off, that's going to be your best bet because those are going to be some of the cheaper ones. So let me know if you scored this deal before it left. But great deal. Pick it on up if you can get it, y'all. All right, y'all. So here is the next deal. I don't know what was going on with my voice. This is on the Nature's Garden Probiotic Yogis. They are buy one get one 25% off. So when you buy two, it's going to be $12.24. We have $1.25 back on Maryfield 2 times when you pick up 2. Then we have $1.60 back on Checkout51 2 times. And then you're going to go over to Be Frugal, which I know we don't use all the time, but in this scenario, it has the highest money back out of all of the apps. So you'll get back $6.67. When you buy 2, it's going to make them free and a 13-cent moneymaker. This is a really great deal. If you have not signed up for Be Frugal, you can do so down below in the description box. You can sign up and then you can start submitting your deals. Now, and if you don't want to use it, I think we have $5 on swag bucks, I believe. You'll just have to look and see what you have and see what's the highest for you. But a really great deal this week. Next, we have the Siete chips. Now, y'all, this is not the best deal, but it's a decent deal. So they're on sale 2 for $7. You do have to buy 2 to get them on sale, okay? So pick up 2 of them. I have $1.25. I think that's what most people have is $1.25. Back on 2, it ends up making them $5.75 or just $2.87 each. So not too bad. I would definitely pick them up if you like them or if you need them. All right, so this is new, y'all. I don't think we've had this before. This is on the Beneful. It's like wet dog food, y'all, but it's just in this container. These are priced at $3.29 each. We have $1.50 digital coupon, makes this just $1.79. So decent deal, not the best deal, but pretty decent if you want to give it a try. Alright, y'all, so the next deal is on the Aquaphor Baby 3-in-1 cream. I think it's the 3.5 ounce. It's regular price $7.79. I can't even talk, $7.79. It's 15% off, so it's $6.62. And we have a $3 digital. That makes it $3.62. So a really good deal considering there are no... This would be the cheapest diaper rash cream outside of this one at this time, which would be the Up and Up brand. So this is a good deal. Pick it up if you need it. All right, y'all. So we have never had buy one get one free Dove items like ever. As you can see, it works on Dove Beauty, Dove Men Plus Care, personal care, and hair care items. They're buy one get one free. Now we do have coupons that are attaching, not to everything, but to some things. The aluminum free deodorants are some of those things. They're priced at $6.19. You're gonna pick up 2 buy one get one free. We have a $2 digital. It's gonna end up making them $2.09 each. Fantastic deal. Okay, fantastic deal. So that is one of the deals that you can pick up this week. Next deal that has a coupon is going to be the Dove Men's Plus Care body wash. These are priced at $7.99. Also buy one get one free, so pick up 2. We have a $2 digital coupon. It's going to make 2 of them $5.98-ish or around $5.99-ish or $2.99 each. So really great deal. I would definitely pick these up and stock up on them. Now, last but not least is the Dove hair care. You're looking for the ones that are priced at $4.89. My store does not have that many right now. But anyways, these are also buy one get one free. We do have a $2 Target Circle, so pick up 2 at $4.89. We have a $2 Target Circle, makes them $2.89 or around $1.44 each, and I think that's a fantastic deal. So pick them up if you need them. Also be on the lookout for the Clairol texture and tones. Certain ones have a $2 Target Circle that's attaching, making these just $2.99. So not a bad deal if you use these. Pick it up if you need it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I am back home. I did not end up picking up anything from Target today, but we do have some good deals and things that you can definitely look forward to grabbing and stocking up on this week. If you have any questions, just don't forget to ask down in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer any questions that you have. Make sure you check out the printable list, and thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to tune into the Walgreens video, the Dollar Tree video today, and then we'll also have a CVS video later on today. I love y'all. Thank you so much for all of your support, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.